Now compare, this is what the size it comes in, and you see I just rolled it out just a little bit, just to flatten it out a little bit, just to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now we're ready to put our filling in on the pastry and then start rolling the little pockets. Here's my meat mixture, which has somewhat cooled. I'm going to take maybe about, I would say about a third of a cup on here. I put it right in the middle of the pastry disc. Okay, now gently I'm going to push my fingers over the filling to hold it in, and yet I'm going to stretch the dough to the other side and press down. Try not to get any liquid between the two pieces of dough because then it won't stick. I'm just going to press down, sealing the pastry pocket. There you go. It's always good to work on the board because you can push it right into the board there